The next one is the sideways one. So you swing the tires sideways. This is how it goes. I'm going to show you the mechanism, and then you see my demonstration as usual. So sideways, on the other side, right. So, and I'm showing you the two ones. I'm doing everything in one. So that's the two hands, and this is the one hand. Pick it up, one hand. Okay. So let me tell you the mechanism of it now. Firstly, I say you want your feet wide enough. You don't want to be throwing it and you're like here. Balance is not there. You need balance, right? So swing and pick up. Again, you don't want to do any sudden stop. You want to carry the motion right through, right? Secondly, you want to throw it down that it bounces enough so you can get it back in a groove, because all of this is rhythm. Okay, so again, up here, the full force is supposed to be somewhere here. So full force, pick up, and the bounce, pick up again, and the same thing with the two hands. Slam it down, two hands, pick up, and as I said, you need balance. So when you're throwing it, you want to have this weak foot cushioning it. The same thing this side, you have this foot, the weak foot cushioning the fall. So that goes for the sideways. Now look at the demonstration as I go along. So 20 there.